Hello and welcome. My name is David Donovan, and I would like to introduce you to my co-host. In this session, she will help me to test my Gmail. This is only possible when streaming video and audio in real time while integrating with a large language model. What about it, co-host? Can you help me with that?
Okay, I can show you a quick test for Gmail. I just wanted to point out that I can show you how to use Gmail and really any app. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Excellent. To begin, please open your preferred web browser and navigate to gmail.com. If you're using Google Chrome, that's ideal.
Am I currently on the right web page?
It looks like you're on the YouTube page. Please change the address in the bar to gmail.com and press enter.
How about if I click on this button over here?
Yes, that works too. Clicking on the Gmail button should take you to the Gmail page.
Okay, and I think I am now on the Gmail page.
Great. Now that you're in your Gmail inbox, on the left side of your screen, you should see a prominent button that says Compose. Please click on it to start a new email.
Is it this button?
No, that's not the right button. The button you're hovering over is...
Excuse me? Is it this button?
Yes, that's the right button. It says Compose. Please click on it.
Okay, I clicked on it.
A new message window should have popped up. In the To field, please type your own email address. This ensures you'll send a test email to yourself.
Okay, why am I doing that again?
You're sending a test email to yourself to make sure your Gmail is working correctly. It's a good way to check both sending and receiving.
Okay, what do I do next?
Next, move to the subject field and type test email or any other short phrase that will help you easily identify this test email.
How about that? Does that look good?
Yes, test email is a perfect subject. Now, in the main body of the email, you can type a simple message like, "This is a test email," or any other text you wish to include.
How about that? What about now?
That looks good. You filled out all the necessary fields. The final step is to send the email. Please locate and click the Send button, usually found at the bottom of the new message window.
Is it this button?
Yes, that's the right button. It says Send. Please click on it.
Okay, I clicked on it.
You've successfully sent the test email. Now, let's confirm you received it. Please check your inbox for an email with the subject Test Email.
Okay, there it is. Great.
Excellent work! You have successfully sent and received a test email to yourself, demonstrating your ability to follow instructions with AI guidance. There seems to be a growing list of use cases for this type of technology integration. This was a simple interactive tutorial, but demonstrates that it could integrate with a system of tutorials, or maybe a complete help system that directs the users how to complete a set of tasks, or maybe a quick start guide, or maybe a guide for a new feature. Are you ready to proceed with our next lesson?
Well, actually, I'd like to take a break. But first, I would like to mention, this is only possible when streaming video and audio in real time while integrating with a large language model. Thanks for watching.